right, my name is Cindy Onweni. I'm in Bio 112, and I did my video project on centipedes. In further detail, my title is Centipedes, a multi-segmented arthropod. So to further introduce centipedes, I will start by giving you their scientific name. Their scientific name is Chilopoda, and they can be easily spotted by their lengthy sort of shape, sort of snake-like shape. They also have a very segmented body and venomous fangs. Most importantly, they belong to the Arthropoda phylum. There is a predator-prey relationship in the way centipedes go about getting their food. They are heterotrophs like you and me, but they are strictly carnivores, meaning they actually hunt for their food and then proceed to eat it. They do this by injecting their prey with the venomous fangs, as I mentioned earlier. Once the prey is completely dead, they then continue to consume it as normal, like we do, and the food then passes through their digestive system. Some unique traits, and I'll go further into detail about this later on in the presentation, but some unique traits that centipedes have is that for every segment they do have on their body, they do have two legs to complement that segment. So on the right, you can see I've drawn a small image of a centipede. I've drawn their horns, their eyes, their legs, and most importantly, their segments. And you can see each segment has two legs, and I indicated that with the red arrows. So to go further into the natural habitat where they live and their placement on the tree of life, centipedes tend to live in more dark, moist areas. So you'll see them in rainforests, and they normally live under certain things like under leaves, under rocks. And further depth pertaining to the tree of life, centipedes are eukaryotes. So just like me and you, they're eukaryotes, and they are members of the Arthropod phylum, as I mentioned earlier. They're triploblastic, additionally, meaning they have all three germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. And because of the presence of mesoderm, that is why they have a full body cavity, not a pseudo body cavity or a false body cavity. So to go further into depth about the tree of life, I really wanted to further explain what I meant by that. So if you can see on the top, sort of left corner, Arthropoda is where centipedes fall under. You can see some of their unique traits, and we can break this down furthermore. I put that they have chitin in their skeleton for structure. They also have segmented body, joint appendages, regional body, open circulatory system, things of that nature. And yeah, those are some unique traits that distinguish them from the other phylum. So they do serve an importance to our ecosystem. Centipedes work to benefit our ecosystem by breaking down the soil and enriching it. And that allows it to basically make it so that seeds are able to germinate better. And through this process, you have plants that are able to develop and things of that nature. Also, through their predator-prey relationship, they're able to limit certain organisms from overpopulating and creating problems in the ecosystem. On the right, I've drawn a picture of plant, soil, seeds, and them germinating, and how centipedes basically play a big part on that. Lastly, these are my citations. This is where I got a lot of my information from. And yeah, that's it.